You see, my correct people, for inside this our country Nigeria, wàhàla no go ever finish as long as some politicians still be politicians. Now just imagine Godswill Akpabio don come outside dey yarn dey give the public say the new national anthem wey dey reintroduce so say e for stop banditry. Just imagine, national anthem for stop criminals, for stop kidnappers, for stop jaguda people. Now does that make sense? Wetin dis man dey try tell us now is it that when kidnappers wan kidnap person, if to say the person come dey sing national anthem Nigeria we hail thee, the kidnappers for leave am run? Abi na which level? Okay, make we check this national anthem of a thing. You know say some dey we no like am, some dey we no send, some dey we like am. Then those ones wey dey now wey dey reason say this new national anthem wey dey bring come, e no be the priority o. Those ones na plenty pass for inside we country Nigeria. Na dem dey para well well say our presido leave countrymen wey dey hungry, leave countrymen wey dey suffer. Wetin dey in mind na new national anthem. And no be lie, my correct people. Now before I give you the details of this informate, before I tell you the things and things wey im mean, as in the true meaning of this talk wey im talk so, say the new national anthem e for stop banditry for inside our country Nigeria. Make I use 2 seconds welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. No say na here we dey like give una ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you dey like ogbonge news, if you dey like legitimate information, try make you subscribe to this channel and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring and dey come dey give you, na you go first get the update and you go get am fast. So sharply, my correct people, make I dive into the matter of the hour. The tori be say the senate presido wey be Godswill Akpabio, he don come outside come dey yarn dey give the public o. He say the reintroduced national anthem wey be Nigeria we hail thee, say e for prevent banditry and insecurity if the country dem bin keep am that time. That is to say, if to say dem no change Nigeria we hail thee to arise o compatriots, say nothing like insecurity for dey for our country Nigeria, say nothing like banditry for dey. Na make I yarn you legit, my correct people. You know say the Senate and the House of Representatives dem pass the national anthem bill 2024 to revert to the old national anthem wey be Nigeria we hail thee. This particular Nigeria we hail thee na anthem wey be say Nigerians don wash hand comot, they don put an end to am since 1978. Now nobody for inside we country Nigeria know wetin happen to our presido wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, whether im sleep dream about the national anthem, abi as im dey shop na the thing come enter im head, you understand? But nobody know wetin happen when he come outside come dey talk things and things wey come make the National Assembly come pass the bill to swap the national anthem from arise o compatriots to Nigeria we hail thee. See this bill na 2 seconds na im take pass the first and the second readings, and im pass the reading the same day. They come carry am give our presido wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. From there e come dey official, e come be the new anthem of the country. Now inside one visit to the country Nigeria Institute of Legislative and Democratic Studies for inside Abuja on Tuesday, na Godswill Akpabio come dey yarn o, say the reintroduced anthem wey be Nigeria we hail thee, say e go bring up unity, e go bring up patriotism and love amongst ourselves wey be country people. Godswill Akpabio no end there o, e consider yarn say those people now wey dey talk say this reintroduced national anthem say na element of colonialism, they no understand the country's history and dem dey very ignorant of the law. And no be lie o, my correct people. You know say arguments come later burst out sake of this matter. Country people come dey yarn o say why Nigerians now go abandon number 1 anthem wey we don dey use for how many years, and number 2 anthem wey be say na country person, na our fellow Nigerian, our brother, our blood, na I bring am come outside. We come abandon am for anthem wey be say number 1 they don abandon am since, and number 2 na oyibo person na I form the Nigeria we hail thee. So this, my correct people, na the argument and na the questions wey country people dey really ask and dey get that time wey dem newly reintroduce the Nigeria we hail thee as national anthem. but the Senate President now don come outside come clear our doubt. According to the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio, he say for inside the year 1959, say Nigerians dey come gather around, dey come gather together, come form panel. Dey come dey go around the world, come dey collect input, come dey collect information, come dey collect things, and na so dem take form Nigeria we hail thee. He say one of the ogbonge bill wey the National Assembly don sign so far na the reverting to our old national anthem. And he say plenty people now no dey aware say for inside the year 1959, say there was a panel made up of Nigerians, and those Nigerians na dem come dey go around the world, dey go receive input. So when people dey talk say they dey bring in colonial anthem, they bring in white man anthem, dey come say they need to look into the history of Nigeria we hail thee. And he say if to say we no change comot for Nigeria we hail thee, if to say we still dey use Nigeria we hail thee till now, say Nigeria now for better pass as e dey like this, so if we no see any jaguda person, if we no see any banditry for inside we country, because everybody for take each other for inside we country Nigeria as their brother, and nothing for make countryman wey dey in the right senses want to kpai im own brother, e no for work. Then the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio, im come dey let country people dey know say more than 30,000 Nigerian students now dey selected to benefit from the student loan scheme. He say the student loan bill now e dey allow those children wey be say their papa no get money, their mama no get money, they no get uncle wey go back them up for school, but with this student loan bill they go finish their school and they no go reason financial burden, they no go reason anything concerning money until they finish. According to Godswill Akpabio, he say this bill now say na one of the most important piece of legislation wey dey passed by the 10th Assembly of the country. And to him wey be the Senate President, say na this bill na sweet and pass. Now onto this student loan bill, na nice thing. Students now go see where to go borrow money, they settle their lectures, they buy handouts, they pay school fees, they do all this kind of stuff them and still get pocket money. But I no go advise you, my country person, say make you go collect loan when you no get means to take pay back, and you know very well say you get how it thing be. You don't look left, look right. You know very well say you no get how you want to pay this money, my brother. Come up body, because na devil's work. If government begin dey pursue you after they don train you for school finish and you no come still money take give them, my brother, you know say this na Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey give una ogbonge and legitimate information on the things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, abeg make you try go subscribe and make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first get the update and you go get am sharp sharp. And I beg make you try to share the news to your family and friends. Share and give them, no dey stingy with the updates. Make them too they know wetin dey happen for inside Nigeria. I dey bring another news for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.